Welcome to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial videos. In today's video, I will teach you guys how you guys can save a web page as a PDF on your iPhone. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to show you. And before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit the subscribe to our channel with notification on, and let's move on. So in order to save a web page as a PDF on your iPhone, first visit the web page which you want to save as a PDF. So I'm on a random web page over here which I want to save as a PDF. So what I need to do is first, once I'm in the web page, I need to take a screenshot of the web page. So I will just take a screenshot of this web page. Once I take the screenshot, the picture will be available at the bottom left. Click on the picture and your screenshot will be opened up just like this. Now once your screenshot opens up like this, what you want to do is at the top you can see this option called full page. You want to click on the option full page, and then it's going to show you like the screenshot of your page which you just took in a full page version. Alright, as you guys can see, this is what my screenshot is. Now I can save this web page as a PDF on my iPhone. How? I can just click on done at the top left corner, and it's showing me this option called save PDF to files. Now what I can do is just simply click on save PDF to files, and it's going to show me at which location inside my file I want to save this as a PDF. So I've already chosen the location which I want to save this, and I will click on save, and now it's going to be saved in my files as a PDF. Now once I do that, I'm going to open the files option, and once I open the file and I go to the location where I saved it, what I can do is just search for it. As you guys can see, the last one over here is the PDF of the web page. I can click on it and it's going to open as a PDF, as you guys can see, just like this. So that's how you guys can save a web page as a PDF on your iPhone. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys next time.